Hey guys, it's Chris here with Goodland Travel Agency, your all-inclusive experts in Punta Cana. I'm at Secrets Tides. I'm going to be showing you a tour of the Preferred Club, Oceanfront Junior Suite. Come on and take a look. Alright, so first thing I want to point out, walking into the room, just to my right is going to be your full bathroom, double vanity sink, oversized rain head shower, ample storage here for your extended stay. One of the nice features is this fully lit mirror, which is great if you're trying to look pretty for dinner. I know I might be spending a little bit of time in front of here before heading to dinner tonight. Come on, I'll show you the rest. All right, so the main bedroom here, now I have a double bed configuration here. You can also get a king bed configuration. Little seating area over here. And of course you have your standard Preferred Club amenities, including espresso machine. Don't mind if I do. Fully stocked mini fridge and also a fully stocked wine fridge, which is exclusive for Preferred Club only. Now, come and check this out. This is one of the best views from a room I've personally had in the Caribbean. I mean, come on, look at that view. All right, so out here on the balcony, you have a very nice oversized jacuzzi, perfect for your afternoon or nighttime soaks. Great view of the Caribbean Sea right out here. Preferred Club pool just down across the walkway, and then you have a little nice seating area here, enjoying your morning coffee, afternoon cocktail. One of the nice features here is there's some slats above us, which gives you a little bit of shade if you're out here on the balcony. So they've really thought of everything here at Secrets. All right, thanks for viewing. Once again, I'm Chris from Goodland Travel Agency, your all-inclusive expert here in Punta Cana. Book with us. I'll walk you through all the nuances and the different room categories here at Secrets Tides. We offer expert knowledge, first-hand expertise, best in industry pricing, exclusive perks, and more. So contact us today. Chris here, the owner of Goodland Travel Agency. Thanks so much for viewing our content. We offer personalized service and expert knowledge. Contact us to book your next vacation and check us out at goodlandtravelagency.com.